conversion cycles, and the like. So let's get into it. First up, an issuer changing its credit terms for customers from 210 net 30 to 210 net 40. Will most likely experience. So we've got to be able to interpret what this means. The 2 is a 2% discount. If your customers pay within 10 days, net is your normal terms. So normal terms here are 30 days, telling the customers here they can pay 20 days quicker to get a 2% discount. We're changing that. That's what it was. It's now going to 2, so same discount, /10, same 10-day window to get the discount, but net 40. Our normal terms have lengthened. Our normal terms have gone from 30 days up to 40. That means on average, our customers are going to take longer to pay us. What's it going to experience? No change in its liquidity is wrong, because if they're taking longer to pay, that is a drag on our liquidity. Drags on liquidity, anything that means it takes longer to get cash in. So it's got to be B. A pull on liquidity is wrong, because a pull would pull cash out of the business quicker. So it's not A. Which of the following will most likely decrease an issuer's cash conversion cycle? So our cash conversion cycle, days of inventory, how long does it take us to get our raw materials into finished goods and sold? Plus the days of sales outstanding. Once it's been sold, how many days to collect the cash? The only good news, we don't pay for our raw materials up front, so we can subtract the days of payables, how long it takes us to pay our suppliers. We can decrease the cash conversion cycle by decreasing the days of inventory, decreasing the days of sales, or increasing how long it takes to pay our suppliers, our days of payables. What do they match up with? A, sales outstanding, increase, nope. Inventory on hand, increase, nope. Increase payables outstanding, yep, it's got to be C. An analyst gathers balance sheet information for the most recent fiscal year for 3 issuers. We have A, B, and C. We've got information here on current assets, down here, current liabilities. Which issuer is most liquid based on the quick ratio? So the key here is obviously to get the correct definition of the quick ratio. What you don't want to do is just take CA over CL. That's the current ratio, and we'll give you different answers. What we're looking for is the quick. Remember, the quick ratio in the numerator has only cash, marketable securities, and receivables. So what we're going to do here is ignore inventory and ignore prepaid expenses. If you do that for company A, you will get their current assets less inventory and prepayments of 420, 440, current liabilities 0.95. For B, 430, 520 liabilities is 0.83. A is winning at the moment. And for C, 270 over 300. That's going to be 0.9. We are looking for most liquid. Most liquid is highest. So it's going to be issuer A. An analyst is evaluating an issuer's liquidity and calculates a negative cash conversion cycle. Nice. Don't need to finance a negative cash conversion cycle. It actually provides capital for the issuer in the most recent fiscal year. This result is not feasible. Not true. It is feasible. If you go through the module, we see an example of it. B, possible. Yep.